Well, ladies and gentlemen, the exhaust is in the back. We're going to go to one of my buddies' shops. He has a lift. Let's give her one last cold start to see how she sounds before we do the new MBPR exhaust. This is it. Cold start, baby. She's pretty loud. All right, we'll see you guys at the shop. Car's on the lift. Dynamax race bullets. So this exhaust, we're going to put it up for sale. I don't know how much yet, but it's definitely going to be different than stock. And funny enough, no cutting involved here. We'll just take these off. This is, again, the stock exhaust. Take these off and we'll be able to just put it right back up. And thanks to the guys let me use the lift. You guys are awesome. Thank you. All right, so this is what the stock exhaust look like, again, with the Dynamax race bullets. That's what it looks like now. I painted it, I don't think I mentioned that earlier in the video, with the high heat Rust-Oleum so it doesn't rust, because this is aluminum. I saved money going aluminum instead of, these are really nice, by the way, instead of going with stainless steel. And then, took us a little while, but I think we did a really good job, seriously. So we're gonna lower it and fire it up and see what it sounds like. All right, here we go. Let's get the cold start. Holy shit. That's loud. All right, guys, we're on our way home. I appreciate everyone that allowed me to use the lift and all the buddies that were involved to help put on the exhaust. Really appreciate it. We did a really good job. Let's go ahead and give it a hit and hear what she sounds like. Just a little quick hit here. It sounds really good. You can definitely hear it a little bit more in the cabin than the previous exhaust, but what I like the most about the exhaust is it keeps that low sound but just amplifies the exhaust. It is not raspy. It is not a raspy exhaust whatsoever, and that's 100% what I wanted. I wanted that low muscle sound and I wanted it louder. It's pretty quiet on cold start, kind of. It's definitely quieter than my previous system, the stock with the Dynamax race bullets on. It's a little bit quieter than that, and I like that, but also it's louder when you nail it, and I love that as well. It's a really good tone, really good sound. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Subscribe if you haven't done so already for more fast car content, and smash that like button. That's it, boy Fitz City. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.